Hello to the beautiful people. So in this video we're gonna learn about how to replace all the occurrences of a string in the JavaScript. So first of all we have to create a string, obviously placeable content. So I'm gonna write a string here. Alright, so we have a string. Now let me just console log the string. Alright, let me just run this. Let me just do another console log. But what do we want here? I just want to replace all of these ends of my string into the or. So how can I do that? It is really simple. All you need to do is to use the method replaceAll. You have to use your variable here. Alright, and the replaceAll method, it takes two arguments. The first argument is for the letter which you want to replace. So for example, in my scenario, I want to replace the end and I want to replace it into or. So the first argument is for the letter which you want to replace or the word which you want to replace, and in the second argument you have to put the letters or the words which you want to use on your replacement. Okay, so I just want to replace my end into the or. Alright, so let me just clear this first and run this again, and now you would see in the first console log we have the end, and in the second console log the end is replaced by the or. You can see in all of these positions we have just replaced the end. So if I just want to replace it into something else, okay, I don't care. Okay, now you can see on the place on the end we have I don't care. So this is how it works. So this is how we can replace all occurrences in a string in the JavaScript. And this is all for this video. If you really find this useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.